Good to be back. Show the jacket, show the jacket. And there's my piece of cake Jeep Wrangler. God damn it. So much for a piece of cake. Damn, I gotta take these off. Well, it might fit, but I don't wanna. Yeah. No, we'll see right now. It's cold, buddy. God damn. It's like 45 degrees. It's way too cold for me. I got bronchitis. Damn, bro, don't shake it like that. Don't break it. Let's go, it's fucking cold. All finished, nice and sealed. Let's get out of here. It's cold and it's windy. Here we are at the junkyard. Yes, sir, skis. Couldn't get this one. Nothing too crazy. I don't need the glass. What I need is I showed up yesterday and they don't have this little rubber. So without the rubber, well, there's no seal. So they're gonna pop this bad boy out. So up here, shit. Let's see if I can get it. There's this little Phillips right there. So you get it right here. Pop that out. This one right here. Pop that out. Obviously I'm more careful over there, but that's the junkyard. See, this is where my head cam comes in handy. So there's a Phillips right here. There's a Phillips right here. There's a Phillips right here. And then you grab it from down here and you just pull it. Pull it and then it goes out. It comes out. So then you do this. And then it has these two 10s. And then you get this with a 10. Get this with a 10. So I gotta drop this window to get to the, to be able to take out that thing. So I'm gonna cut it right here. And then I'm gonna strip those. So these go to the power motor. You strip them, and then you get any battery, a 12 volt or 18 volt, doesn't matter. And then you put one side in one and the other one in the other. Let's see if I can get this. Can you see the glass? No. That's good enough. So you put one in one. And you get the other one, put it on the other side. Yeah. My dad taught me that one. And then you still gotta take this one out. It'll be better to get a manual screwdriver, because if you use the drill and it's really hard, you're just gonna strip it. Oh, God damn it. So now that everything's out, you just pull this. God damn it. Pull this out. And then this one just slides out. God damn. Boom. And since all I need is this, then I'll just fucking get this shit out. Get that out, and then this is just gonna leave that right here for the next guy. That's pretty much it. New windshield, and then the one I was talking about. So it's all missing. So I had to bring it. But yeah, ammonos. So thankfully there's no pillars or nothing, so I can see where I'm going.
We're gonna need more of the...
Yeah, I know. We're gonna pass by home.
Okay.
So we're in the Toyotas. Usually on these top corners, where these clips, it'll get caught under here, and then it'll rip your cord. Or you'll go through, slice it, and then, well, so right here you can really see how to get through to it. But usually you could pull down the headliner and then get it with your finger and push it through. Let's see. Nice and smooth. Yeah, nice. Shishi! Sorry about the mess. It's fucking a little too busy to clean. What? What's so funny? It's not true? My assistant. Oh no, I'm the assistant, huh? Yeah. So as I can see, it is broken. I'm gonna still try to do it how we do it at the body shops and get it out with the cord. It's gonna be my first time, so we'll see how it goes. Not working.
Let's go.
Where's the dog? Well, you gotta prime the new one too. So these clips land in these holes. Obviously. Bada beam, bada boom. That's it. Now you can hear it crack. And out of here. So 22 Civic, we're gonna try to do what I couldn't do on the Accord, but this one's not broken. So first we always start off removing, or we're cutting this what's it called? I don't even know what it's called, but we start right here cutting this so it doesn't stress the line as much and it won't crack when we go to rope all the way around. So we blow that clip, and then from there, little by little, work our way down until we get to the next clip right there. What? Con el alma mía. We're gonna take it.
Where? Why?
Buick Enclave. Or Enclave. Straightforward job. So you know, every time you yawn, it gives a burst of oxygen to your brain. Yep, if you didn't know, now you know. And then right here, there's these little chip repair. I think I tried to show you guys one time, I don't remember. But I'm just gonna redo it. So right here, before I start, I get my my stand. This is the Glasweld Zoom. That's what this model is called. Provac Zoom. I love it. Before I had a little kit I bought from Alpha. So this is my first big like purchase, the chip repair wise. So you get it right in the middle. And then I get the zoom before I put any resin in there. I just open it up and put the little tip in there. And then I put this right where I think the middle is. That way I can make sure that it's right there in the center, so there's no mistakes. Yep, just like that. Now from here I'm gonna save the spot and I'll start drilling. Alright. So then I start drilling. So right in the middle, where all the cracks are. So you don't drill all the way to the PVC, the middle, the plastic in the middle. You just drill halfway through the glass. And one of my buddies, is Omar from Clearfix, it's a badass with chips. He goes halfway, and then with the same Dremel, with the same needle, he gives it a little tap. That way it opens up the center and gives you access to all of the legs. So then from here, I get my drill mill and then I give it a little tap. And then I can see how it opened up and gave me access to the rest of the lines. So now I take off the tip. You put just a couple drops between, well, I always like to put 8, but they recommend 6. Just that way, in case I need a little bit more, what's already in there, I don't have to remove and then reapply. So you get the resin all the way to the tip, mix a little ball. Hopefully the camera could catch it. And then since you already have it in the right spot, you just press it on there. Give it a pressure. Give it some pressure. And then you twist to the left to remove all the air. And then you keep it in that vacuum for, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute. The longer the better. Look at this. I've had it for like a year. So now goddamn styrofoam's coming out. And so I just put that right there. And then this kit has a UV shield. So before the resin dries, or so that the sun doesn't dry the resin, you just pop it on and it's like a little shield so that it doesn't cure ahead of time. So like that. And then it comes with a bunch of stuff. It has a cigarette lighter, so if it's cold, you just heat it up and the resin goes in smooth. So it's really good. Really comes in handy. And then this is how it looks like from the inside. So it's just sucking all the air out. And then that same buddy Omar taught me, what's a little trick? If you tap it while it's vacuuming out, it'll promote the air bubbles getting out. And same thing when you're injecting resin. If you tap it, it'll promote it to get the resin in there. Now I'm looking for the cigarette lighter. So now that it's held the vacuum for about a minute, I'm gonna inject in the resin. So just move it to the right. And you'll see the resin start to flow. And I tried to, I don't think the guy left me the key for the car to get some power, so we're gonna use a little lighter to heat it up and damn it, and promote the flow. It should be like lukewarm, not like no crazy hot. And yeah, just the waiting game. I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but I mean, it's going away. I don't know if the video is doing justice. I'll see later when I do the edit. But this is the one from the outside, or the view from the outside. Damn, now I'm the popular guy. So once you're injecting, what the hell? So once you're injecting, you put in this UV cure light, so it cures the resin under pressure. And then I like to cover it with a little rag. And then just wait. So this is cool when you're doing like a windshield replacement and they want you to do a chip as well, where you do the replacement and this only needs like less than 5 minutes, 5 minutes or less of hands-on. So you could do this in the meantime while you're doing something else, and it's extra revenue. We charge $60 for repair. I know Safelite charges $140, and a bunch of people will charge in between, but I like to charge $60. And then once someone wants to replace their windshield because they get tired of looking at the scar or they get another one or whatever, we use the $60 as credit towards the new windshield so it doesn't get lost. And people really enjoy it. So as long as people don't have any concerns, then it's all good. Just that the kit, this one I bought it like a year and a half ago. I think it was like 1100 maybe. But with 10 chip repairs that you charge at 60, that's already $600. So all you need is 20, and well, yeah, 1200. And then I buy these pack of 100 bits for the Dreamels. I think this is like 200, maybe 250 now because everything's expensive. But in the year and a half, I've bought maybe 3. So imagine almost 300 chip repairs at $600. I want at $60. How much is that? 6,000, 12,000, 18,000. 18,000. But sometimes in one chip repair, I use 1 or 2, sometimes up to 5 in one chip, because it's the spider legs. So sometimes they're so long that you have to drill through here to stop that line from running. And then we'll fill it in, and then over here and over there, because sometimes people don't want to pay for a new windshield. They think if they ever sell the car, if they have the original windshield, then it's gonna go for more. But honestly, if it has a pretty big noticeable chip, people aren't gonna pay as much for it because they know they're gonna have to replace it. I think that should be good. So then boom, boom, and then you can't really see it anymore. It's a good thing. So you can compare the before and after. And so then to fill in that pit that we made, we put in this pit filler, and then we put a little clear sheet. I'll show you. Little clear sheet. So it's a little clear sheet like that. So then you just knock that off, and then that fills in the spot. Damn, the camera won't focus. Well, anyways, it's a lot better than what it was. And the most important part is that it's not gonna spread. It's not gonna go anywhere. And yeah, that's what matters the most. Here's from the outside. It's that thing right there. Here you can see it. Just a little shadow. But you don't see the cracks no more. And then from there you get the little polish up the little ding. Just put a little drop right there. And then you get this little cork. I'm just gonna buff out that resin, the pit filler resin. That's pretty much it. Last job of the day, just before sunset. Another chip for the Bronco. You want to say something to your fans?
Hi.
So I bought her one too, giving her a little in-person demo.
I already know how to do it.
Oh, so I don't know what I'm doing here. And yeah, take this off, take this off, then there she is. So the client got some credit because they took forever to deliver his Bronco. So when his windshield cracked, it replaced it for free. And 2 weeks later, it's starting to get little chips. And the new windshield for this one, they charge at Ford 1600, 16 big ones. So gotta repair it. But it's clean. I like this color. The doors are frameless. And then the windshield. I haven't done one yet, but no molding around. And it has that Torx. I don't know if the bottom has clips or what, but nothing too crazy. It's just the Ford after all. All that's left is that little nick. Oh damn, where'd it go? Can you see it? I can't see it. It's around there somewhere. So yeah, not gonna spread from there. Mission success. Alright, so let's get out of here. Ice cream! What you doing here, lad?
Put an activator on.
Oh, we will activate what? On Daytona, piece of drywall hit the glass, shattered. Right here in Irvine. Ready for the next one.
Arriba Chicago y California. Puro A de Records, viejo. Caminé por sus barrios y de hecho me enfrenté. La rama y recorrí cuando
esos rollos y al negocio me metí. Talento para chambear y las cuentas para sacar. El dinero y el billete robo a mi porvenir. Buen tiempo chambeé con eso, pero lo dejé ir. Me involucré en algo más que en Califa se da.
Flash, so you can really see it.